up guys, welcome to another video. So we are here at the Berrics in Los Angeles, California. Super stoked because I haven't skated here in a long time, and I actually took it for granted last time when I lived in Pasadena. I had the ability to come here every single day, but I mean I came here like twice a week, but I probably should have just came here every single day. But we are here, we're gonna go skate. I might have to set up a new board, but I do have an extra if I do need it. And it's gonna be nice to say what's up to everybody. I haven't seen anybody around here in a long time, so let's go inside and say what's up. Private skate park. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Good.
How's everything? Good, man.
Yeah,
good. Damn, we got the shit locked down.
Shit off the walls and whatnot.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Fuck.
So we had a bunch of boards here. Some dude or chick walked out one day with 8 of them.
Fuck.
Yeah. So and there's like some boxes stolen the other day. So
That's
got
crazy.
this shit on lock.
Oh, yeah.
How you doing?
Good, man. Good. Just training, skating. Well, not skating too much, but I want to try to skate a lot more. Alright guys, and quick meal because I'm pretty hungry. We have 5 ounces of chicken breast, 50 grams of kale, 10 grams of coconut oil, and 70 grams of avocado. These are very convenient, so I'll just get these. I'll cook the bacon and then I throw the Brussels sprouts in there, and then I have already some chicken breast that's already pre-made, so I'm gonna weigh everything out. And then once the bacon's done cooking, I'll throw everything in, so then everything cooks in the bacon grease, gets all nice and warm. And then I'm gonna put it over a bed of baby spring mix in a bowl. I did make this meal yesterday and posted a photo on Instagram, and it looked damn amazing and it tasted damn amazing. I don't have any avocado, so maybe I'll just add a little bit of almond butter on the side or a little more olive oil. So let's get cooking. And I also got this 21 Seasonings Salute from Trader Joe's. It's actually really good. There's so much stuff in it. They have onions, black pepper, celery seed, cayenne pepper, parsley, basil, majoram, bay leaf, oregano, thyme, savory, rosemary, cumin, mustard, coriander, garlic, carrot, orange peel, tomato granules, lemon juice powder, oil of lemon, citric acid. Alright guys, look at this solid meal. Super stoked to eat this. It's already getting cold because I have to film this for you guys. But again, a recap, we have spring mix, we have 170 grams of Brussels sprouts, 2 strips of bacon, 4 ounces of cooked chicken breast, 10 grams of olive oil, and just pure damn goodness. So I'm gonna eat this, but first I'm gonna show you guys the supplements I take with each meal. So I do take betaine hydrochloric acid. This helps with breaking down the proteins that I'm eating, as well as this Digest Gold digestive enzyme. So this helps with breaking down carbs, fats, and proteins. And I'm also taking V1 multivitamin. This is very good because it has vitamins and minerals that you need that you may miss throughout your diet. You guys see how balanced my diet is with plenty of veggies. Multivitamins are good insurance to have, you know, even though you're eating a good balanced diet. These just basically give you the extra insurance. And this also has carnitine and alpha lipoic acid to help with metabolism and glucose regulation. So it's a great multivitamin solution. And then we have N4 fish oil. Now, fish oil is very good for your joints, your heart, your brain, and if you're eating a lot of fatty fish, you might not need it, but I only eat fish maybe once a week, like I'm eating a piece of salmon or something. So I do supplement with N4 fish oil, and I take V1 and N4, 1 capsule 3 times per day. And all right, enough with the supplements, now it's time to eat. Every day I'm bristling. I'm good. You guys have no idea. Damn, that's good. All right, guys, so as I sit here and enjoy my food, I want to talk about the skate session, kind of how it went, how I was feeling. So as you guys know, I haven't been skating much at all lately, and my endurance is not up to par. It's definitely not like what it used to be. So when I first got there, I was super excited because I was feeling pretty good. I was skating around, skating the mani pad, skating the boxes, you know, basically cruising, having fun. I started to get a little tired, a little fatigued, and then I ate my meal. And then after that, I started skating the stairs because one of my friends showed up, my friend Andrew, and he was like, oh, let's film a clip. I was like, all right, I'm down. And so I haven't jumped down anything in a long time. So we were skating the 7 stair, the one that I actually ollied up a long time ago. And I just tried like a few back 360s down it, and I almost did it. My foot fell off on one of them, and I did like the splits, which it didn't really hurt that bad, but I'm feeling it now. I'm a little sore, but the more I keep skating, the more I'll be able to adapt. It's just like training. You can't expect to go to the gym after you took so much time off and be able to perform at your maximum intensity. It's gonna take time for me to adjust. Yes, I know it's only skateboarding, but you gotta think of it as it's training. So today I was supposed to do deadlifts, and it was a very wise decision that I didn't do the deadlifts, and I just went to the skate park and skated and had fun. So like I said in my other video, that I'm gonna be backing off my training and really trying to skate a lot more. So it's just gonna take a couple sessions of getting back into it, getting my body fully loose. I definitely felt pretty damn good today, so it was really cool to be able to skate and feel good and actually want to go skate. You know, it's like I don't skate all the time because I don't feel good. It's not that I don't want to do it. It's just I know when I'm gonna go skate that I'm not gonna feel good and it's gonna be a waste of time. Like I went to the Volcom skate park the other day, like early in the morning, and I tried to cruise around and I just felt so terrible and just got really frustrated, and I was like, screw this, I'm getting out of here. And then I just went down to the beach, went for a walk, and just tried to walk it off. But even the walk felt so challenging to the point where I was like, I don't even want to walk anymore. I just felt so fatigued, and it's just really crazy. But my condition's kind of up and down. A lot of days where I'm feeling pretty decent, and then some days I'm feeling just kind of shitty. But today was a decent day, and I'm looking forward to having more better days. So alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, more skating will be coming. And again, like always, thank you to all of you guys that have been subscribed, that comment, and let me know down below in the comment section which videos you guys like the most so I can just make more. I'm definitely having fun with my rental car and just driving around, going to different places. I think on Friday I'm gonna go down to Temecula again to train with Raymond and probably get some like sushi or pho after, which I'm really looking forward to. So yeah, that's it guys. All right, thank you guys for watching. Have a good night. Peace.